Let's see our next example. We have third degree inequality. So first we have to make equation. So whatever is on the left side must be equal 0. We have x to third power minus x squared minus 6x is equal 0. We have third degree equation. So what I can do? I can factor x from these three terms. So I have x. In parentheses I will have x squared minus x minus 6 is equal 0. Where this left side will be equal 0? When x will be 0 or x squared minus x minus 6 will be 0. So we have quadratic equation. We can factor. We have to find two numbers which multiply by each other will give me negative 6, and when I add them I will have negative 1. It will be 2 and negative 3. Again, we have two factors. When this left side will be 0, when one of this factor will be 0. So x plus 2 will be 0 or x minus 3 will be 0. So x equals negative 2 and x equals 3. We have our roots. Now we have to check how many times they are repeat. So 0, let's check. We have x to first power. It means 0 repeats one time. The content of this parenthesis is raised to first power. It means negative 2 repeats one time. And the content of this parenthesis is raised to first power 2, so it means 3 repeats one time. Now we can draw number line x. We can place our roots, so we have negative 2, 0 and 3. Next we have to check the sign of a coefficient before the highest power. The highest power is 3. The coefficient before x is positive 1. So we can draw our graph from positive value, and always we start from right side. Positive value is above our x number line. We are in 3 first root. Because 3 repeats only one time, it means we can pass this 3 and we are going to the next root is 0. 0 repeats one time, we can pass this root and we are going to negative 2, and negative 2 repeats one time, we can pass this negative 2. Now we have to find the value greater. It means our roots are not included, and value greater is everything what is above our x number line. This part is above and this part is above. Now we can write our intervals. First interval will be from negative 2 to 0 plus the second interval is from 3 to positive infinity. And we have our solution.